So, hello and welcome back. And yes, today we have a little bit request on how to change the high pressure pump on 1.0 Ecoboost. So, yeah, let's try this. You need to unplug this for sure. So this one, it's in your way. I don't have it now, but the filter here as well. It's something that you need to take in consideration to remove, because it's easier to make this hose to move it, or you can just unplug this hose. But from what I think and I believe, most easy way is to just remove this hose over here. That should be something that you need to take out. So let me just unplug this. So once you unscrew this holder, just like this, so like this, so yeah. And then it's out. Next up, what we need to make sure we have space enough, so this one should be out. Best way is just to take it full out like this. So that one, yeah, so these two are out, and you need to be extra careful with this one because this tends to break, and if this breaks, this whole pump gets kinda useless. So if we have some better tools, you should apply those. If you don't have, this is something that it will help. So I really want to be careful with this. I don't want to screw it up, but just in case, I'm gonna take it a lot easier. So let me just unplug this one. So I did just use the screwdriver, and yeah, so you need to be extra careful with this one. You really don't want to break that. So next step is probably to take out this electric. Let me just check out. Yeah, something like that. That one, and there is this one, of course, this one, and I don't know if you can see, but this one as well is holding these wires for the sensor from DPF. So yeah, after that you need to unscrew this one both down. This one, that's two, and I believe there is third one. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see. Yeah, but this one here. So this one here. So these are the three screws that you need to unplug on both, so you can take out the pump. So let me unscrew those, and here this one as well, and this like quick release, something like that. Yeah, so quick release, you just press on this side and on the other side. So these two sides you just press and click it out. So I will go and unscrew those two, and then we continue. So this video don't need to be like 10 minutes. So one down, two to go, and this one is kind of a little bit tricky because it's really behind, and you need a long 8 because the screw is deep, so you will really need a long 8, and this will help you because there is not really much space, to be honest, here. So as you can see here, long 8. So that's the second one. Still need to go a little bit more. I don't know if you can see. took it a lot already out. Should be now possible with hand to finish the job, but let me unplug it all together. So the second one is out, and look at this. So this that's why it's really long. And look, yeah, so 3 of these. We had one more, and I believe this one is gonna be the hardest one probably. So I don't know if you're gonna see. Yeah, I believe you will see like this. So this one, so that's the third one. Let me unplug that one and then we continue. So after taking the third one out, maybe for better access you should take out this 10, and there is another one underneath, so 2 10s, because it's holding this this little pump over here. And after that you just take this out. So let me unscrew these 2 and then we continue. So taking out these 2 10s, you can remove this from the rest of the high pressure pump, and then it's just like this. So yeah, and as you can see, this one is kinda almost a brand new one. I will take this as well and put it here. So yeah, that's for that one. So that's the high pressure pump on 1.0 Ecoboost. Here are some numbers. Let me show you the numbers. So basically CM 5G. Let's check like this. So yeah, only good thing about all this is that you have enough space to access, and right after that you can see almost everything inside the engine. And yeah, why I did this, because these tend to break. Either mechanics break this one, and there is inside a little bubble, little. So yeah, and then this kind of fails, and again I seen really bad ones over here. So yeah, for that purpose, the 1.0 Ecoboost, this is the older engine from 11 till 17, 18, and these things do break. So yeah, anyways, I hope this helped. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and follow, and see you guys in the next one. So till next one, see ya.